The timeshare problem can be explained with the following analogy. Imagine a hair salon offered you a haircut club deal whereby you pay £10,000 or £20,000 to commit to using their salon for a fixed number of years. As well as the lump sum, you also have to pay regular prices for each haircut. If you get a haircut elsewhere, you still have to pay for the haircuts from your haircut club. If you decide to grow your hair and don't want a haircut, tough, you still have to pay. They can put their prices up whenever they want. You still have to pay. They can drop standards, use lower quality hairdressers, perhaps not upgrade the decor and equipment over time. Maybe the salon can never fit you in because they are overbooked, sometimes by people who are not club members. It doesn't matter, you still have to pay. You'd be pretty annoyed. Timeshare owners are pretty annoyed. For decades, they paid huge amounts of money for substantially nothing at all. They pay the same as other guests who never paid a joining fee but book online through sites such as booking.com to holiday at the exclusive resorts. Timeshare companies aggressively targeted holidaymakers in the 80s, 90s and early part of the 21st century. Later, around 85% of members regretted their decision but believed they were trapped. When members do find a company they trust to relinquish their ownership, it becomes a race to get out before another expensive annual fee is due. It takes an average of 2 to 3 months to relinquish a timeshare contract. Now is the time to get out if you want to avoid another year's maintenance. To explore escaping your timeshare membership, get in touch with our team at ECC.